Hi guys! In today's video I want to show you how to make a bath mat using fabric yarn. We will also be using macrame cord, sticky tape and a pair of scissors. I want to show you step by step how to make a lark knot and a double knot. And we'll be working on a smaller scale project. We'll be doing a little square. It's easier to show and actually finish, so you can understand from start to finish how to make it. Firstly, we need to fold in half our fabric yarn, and with the loop created we will have to place it on top of the macrame string and then pull the rest of the fabric yarn through that loop, and we will create a lark knot. After all the strings are added, find something to use to pin in place the top of your mat. It's easier to work on. To make a double knot, you will need 4 strands. For this particular design, we will start every knot with the left strand, which will go over the middle 2 strands, and then the right strand will go under the middle ones, through and over the left one, and this is half of the double knot. Then we do the same, but we start with the right strand, and then the left one goes under and through the right one, and we finish with a double knot. So this is quite a simple design. You just need to remember to always start from the left if you want to have the same pattern all around. If not, you can start left, right, and then you'll create something unique. Here I realized I didn't add an extra one, and I was left only with 2 strands, so I went along and added one more strand. So now that your first row is complete, For the second one, you will have to put aside 2 strands from each end and work only with what is left in the middle. And then the third row, you will put those 2 strands back and work again a full row. So every other row, you will take 2 strands from each side and put them aside, not work with them. For this tiny square, I just finished it off with single knots, just to make sure that the ends don't come apart. When you're done, just cut all the excess strands and the macrame cord just to make it short and nice. The bigger scale version looks like this. The macrame cord is 33 centimeters and the fabric yarn pieces are 3.5 meters full length. It took me a good few hours to finish this rather small bath mat, I would say, but it was very relaxing to make and I really enjoy how soft it feels. To complete this mat, I have added another macrame cord at the end. I stuck it in place with some sticky tape. And with every strand of fabric yarn, I will make a knot that will have in the middle the macrame cord. All the knots are done now, and we just need to cut the excess off. For this mat, I left a tiny bits of fabric yarn just to give it a bit of fringe. Thanks for watching. See you next week.